This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pinder. Stunning brand new custom home located in the heart of Great Neck to be completed in July-August timeframe. Pamphlets, Plat Floor Plans available inside 1412 Mill Dam Road next door with an extensive list of features and upgrades. Highly energy efficient home on navigable water with a 3+ car garage and first floor in-law suite with water views from almost every room. Top of the line design features including a bright and open floor plan, gourmet chef's kitchen, dual fuel dual zone HVAC, 250-gallon gas hot water heaters, sound deadening spray foam insulation, and a 10-year structural warranty. Just to name a few. Receive up to 2.5% closing cost assistance with seller's preferred lender. Don't miss out on this beautiful